Today is my birthday! And I want to paint a cupcake for you! Do you like cupcakes? It's so yummy! Let's start! Green color. It's green color. Do you like cupcakes? They're so delicious. Amazing. Yellow color. Yellow color. That's great! Now we use pink color. Pink color. Oh, look at here. I like pink color. Do you like it? Now I want to use blue color. Oh, blue color. Be careful. Be careful. What's a yummy cupcake? That's a yummy cupcake. Look at here. Now I want to use pink again. Amazing. Be careful. Now again, blue color. It's light blue color. So yummy! Now I want to use brown color. There's some chocolate. Brown chocolate. Do you like chocolates? They're so yummy. But we shouldn't eat them very much. Now our candle. Orange color, purple color. So yummy! Please watch my next video.